I've noticed that the cyclamen have come up early, like so many other things, and these are Cyclamen hederifolium, or the wild cyclamen, or ivy-leaved cyclamen, and they flower in the autumn, usually October, but they do seem to come up quite early now. And they have these little flex-back flowers like that. They're kind of interesting, little like upside-down flowers, but they're sort of like a flower hanging down with the actual flower part sort of in there. There's just a few so far. They like growing in shade, and the leaves follow the flowers, and they stay there all through the winter and die back into the corm about sort of April. So different cyclamens do it differently, but these ones, yeah, they flower first without the leaves, and then the leaves come later. And then over here we've got some white ones. I don't know if you can see those there. Move that out of the way, ow. And see there's a lot of white. And always, this type was always white, pink, purple, but you do get quite a lot of other similar types of cyclamen, different types of cyclamen. You can get some that are kind of different colours, but these ones are always the same colours. And you sometimes find them growing in the wild, although they are originally from the Mediterranean area. You do sort of get them in woods here as well, and they're kind of nice. They're poisonous, you can't eat them. They do have some medicinal uses. They've got anti-parasitic, anti-bacterial qualities, but they're not safe to consume, so probably better not to. They are very, very beautiful just to see them. Everything's like dying back, and you've got something that's actually flowering. And they do go on for quite some time, and as they get established, they get into quite big clumps, and they can seed themselves. The seeds are transported by ants, yeah, they prefer sandy soil, really, sandy alkaline soil. But here it's clay, but they're sort of they're doing okay here, but they don't really spread that much. When they're growing in sandy soil areas, they tend to seed themselves all over the place, so you get quite big clumps to them. They will actually grow underneath evergreens. They're very, very shade tolerant. So they come up here. It's like there's a couple of holly bushes here. There's mostly deciduous trees, but very thick kind of woodland along the side of this bank here. It doesn't really get much light at all, and they really thrive here. And when they finish flowering, they sort of curl up and make a little seed pod in there. It kind of curls right up, and that looks kind of interesting. So yeah, cyclamen are really nice little plants, and there are quite a few garden varieties, but a lot of the ones you get aren't hardy, like these big ones that you see in garden centres. So there's certain types that are hardy that will grow outside, and some that won't.